Okay, so we're gonna show you how to fit on this long fender, right, on the 08. Right, so we have come up with this new long fender, which is 10 times more effective than the stock fender that comes with the 08. Right, so to replace it is very easy. Right. So for 08 unit, just remove, you see this screw here, you see this nut here, right? This screw is just to remove the whole support. Now why we have to remove the whole metal bar is because the screw holes are different sized, so it's better to just replace the whole metal bar. So remove this, right? It's tight. Yeah. They may use some the other way? No, it's this finger. Okay. Okay, so okay, once you remove this, okay, all right, just put this to aside. So this bar just comes off. What I didn't mention before, right, was that it's easier if you just loosen this nut here, but not remove the nut, right? Do not remove the nut, just loosen it so that this bar can slip off easier, right? So loosen this nut, remove the 2 screws on each side. This one, right, should just slide in. Now if it doesn't slide in easily enough, it should, right? That's it, right? It will slide in if you loosen this nut. And then use the 2 same screws, right? And align the hole of the metal bar with the screw and just tighten it up. Okay. Put it in on one side, but don't fully tighten it. Fit the nut on the other side. And that's it, right? Just tighten this too. So you got your long fender that is actually splash proof. Thank you.